What do you expect for the surface of your parts? Corrosion resistance, strengthening parts, or distinctive appearance? Here at RP World, we have painting, anodizing, plating, printing, etc., meeting all your expectations for the part appearance. And we provide MT texture, VDI texture, RPPTC texture, and different transparency to fulfill your requirements on various levels of roughness and transparency for parts. Painting applies to the surface of the part to be coated. Normal, transparency, rubber, EMC coating, metallic, etc. are available here to make your parts colorful and outstanding from others. Anodizing can create a thin, hard, non-conductive ceramic coating on the surface of metal parts to strengthen corrosion resistance, improve hardness, and be eye-catching. The different features like nature, color, hard coat are at your disposal. If you want a thin layer of metal on your metal part surface to prevent oxidization, improve electrical conductivity, and durability, plating is right for you. Either galvanic plating or ion plating is available at RP World. Printing logos on the surface of parts can make your parts stand out and be distinctive. It is a simple process with lower cost. And all text and graphics are available for our Magic Silk printing, pad printing, and roller printing. Laser engraving has no contact with the part surface, but it can be permanent, precision, and fast making on your metal parts. All finishing options are achieved by our masters with over 10 years experience. With our CNC machining, injection molding, and more, you can enjoy a one-stop manufacturing service for customized parts. Ready for your next project? Contact us to find the most suitable process for you.